For the first time in like 60 years, Japan went ahead and implemented agricultural reforms, and also, those like system reforms are not easy, to be honest. And also, we have tackled some difficult tasks. For example, the civil servant system, the reforms, basically it targets all the bureaucrats in the Kasumigaseki area, and also we have a reform like a medical system and the social welfare system. So, but I said when it comes to this like third arrow reform, like I said, we are still on our way to, before we reach our goal. That this is because we haven't actually done the proper the employment reforms, because our employment system need to be updated and catch up with the current global the industrial structures. Therefore, we need to increase our liquidity of our labor force and the labor market. Japan is not going to take drastic the change in terms of the immigration policies. That's not like we don't do this like immigration policy per se. We are trying to actually welcome and accommodate this skilled labor force, and also with like certain technical skills. So those are the two type of people we're trying to attract into our country, and also we like to increase the opportunities for like non-skilled labor segment as well. So I guess the skilled and unskilled, like both of the segments, I think we can welcome more foreign workers or labor force. I think what's more important is like we have a quite large number of the foreign students studying in Japan. So I think what we have to do is make sure they can stay and keep working in Japan, because they're usually fluent in Japanese, and also they have a very good understanding of Japanese culture. So of course BOJ is autonomous the institution, so therefore we are not in a position to make comment on their policies. But having said that, I guess that the BOJ for the first time basically they entered into this like uncharted territory, meaning they have decided to take this policy that they have never before. So I guess that proves and also indicates they are like extremely strong determination to reach, and also this like 2% inflation target. I think that basically indicates the fact that they are going to do whatever it takes to achieve this 2%. And also one thing I like to clarify is this like a negative interest rate is only applied to 20 trillion yen out of like all 260 trillion yen reserve. This is like a negative interest is not a tool for like a currency war at all. I guess the reason why they are using this like a negative interest rate scheme is to like make sure we are out of this like deflation cycle, and this is just like one of the method. This is a part of the monetary relaxation policies they have been implementing. So therefore, this is not to weaken Japanese yen. It's not for that purpose.